Let's go. Today we're going to talk about our copy trading master's account. So we are making use of copypit.com. So and our strategy name is Bitrapedia. So under here we are going to search for our strategy name. Then from there we can check how our activity have been going so far. So under top growth, we search Bitrapedia Limited. That's one of our accounts. So here is our account. So according to this account, the age of the account is 1 month and 3 weeks, so not up to 2 months. And so far we have our growth has been 283.75%, and the average per month, based on the average calculation per month, is 60.84%. And we have traded so far 2,358.20 pips. And according to them, say the maximum drawdown is 65%, and the maximum period of recovering is 1 week 6 days. Okay, that's all we should check here. So let's one thing about this strategy account, that if you want to follow us on this copypip.com website, you have to read our description first, because it's one of the most important. So you have to read our descriptions. We advise you to follow our recommendations based on lot size and every other parameter you need in trading. So let's check all period. We found out that we started this account not up to 60 days, not up to 2 months. So all period this account has been growing. So let's check on our 1 week chart. This chart will show you our growth performance for the past 1 week. So from here to here, there have been a maximum growth. So this account, we started this account on the 3rd or on the 28th of August. So 28th of August is close to the end of the month. So we made 3.91%. So on September we made 97.71%, and this month October we have already made 85.160%. So I'm showing you that before the end of this month that it will be up to 150 to 200%. So the all over is 280%. This is a chart that will show you our performance, how far we have grown, from what percent to what percent we have been, and our maximum drawdown. So here we give you our trading statement. In this trading statement, you'll be able to see how many pips we have gone so far, how many pips our trade closed. Just this week we traded gold. We made over 600 pips from here. So total calculating this and this is 600, let me say 600 pips. So the lowest we made, can I say last week, let me call it last week, is 2.4 pips. And during that last week, we have made at least 90% profit. I won't say 90%, I will call it a 98% profit, then with 2% loss. You can see that for yourself. So far, this is where you have to see your return of investment. Assuming you started trading with us at the same time when we started this account. So this here will tell you the age of our account, a month and 3 weeks, not up to 2 weeks, 2 months. So here the second line will tell you about the profit and loss if assuming you invested 1k USD with us. So far your profit and loss will be $3,000. So it's all about profit, no loss there. So one thing about this account that we trade with a mirror loss size, a loss size of from 0.01 to 0.05 maximum. So we don't trade more than 0.05 maximum. And in this account, we don't open trade just to keep trading. One thing about this account is that we open this trade in we don't have up to 5 active trade per day. We make sure that we close some certain positions either with profits before opening new trade, so we don't exceed more than 5 trade per day, so that we are working towards a risk management and capital management, so we won't incur more losses in our trading account. So the annual forecast, they are giving us an annual forecast of 1000%, meaning if you have invested maybe like 100%, so they are giving this forecast that if you have invested like, let me say, $100, that per annual you will get at least 1000% in return of your investment. So here we also show you some other, like the percentage of our profit, then long position, the percentage of long position, short position, best trade pips, worst trade pips, and other things. Here is a chart that will describe about the profit and duration, while here shows the trade populations, the most traded currency or meta by us. So according to here, we have the USD chef at 29%. I think that's the highest. Then second is the gold USD, which is at 24%. The next is the euro pounds, which is at 16.46%. So that's all for here. Another thing, according to our trade, we say this account trade on major currency pairs and gold. It uses a micro loss size from 0.01 to 0.05 maximum, and we gave you instructions on how to follow our trading. So more details on how to make use of this copy piece and follow our trading will be on the comment section of this video at the end of this video. Okay, thanks. Once again, the name is Bitrapedia Limited.